Hello to all traders. Today I'm sharing a scalping strategy with you that is formed by two simple indicators. After watching this video, you can understand where to enter the trade in order to achieve good profits. So let's get started. For this strategy, we use the TradingView website. First, select your symbol. This strategy has been tested on symbols within the Forex market and has yielded very good results. Therefore, I recommend selecting a symbol from this market. Then choose your time frame. Since this is a scalping strategy, I recommend selecting a time frame between 1 minute to 15 minutes. Next, we need to go to the indicator tab to add the first indicator of this strategy to our chart. Just search for channels with patterns. Once you find it, click on it to add it to the chart. As you can see, this indicator is messy and may confuse you at first glance. But in order to make it suitable for our strategy, we need to adjust its settings and make the necessary changes. Be careful to make these changes precisely because they are very important. After making the adjustments, we can utilize this indicator fully. You will notice some important points on this indicator that we recognize as breakout. These points are crucial for us. Whenever you see a green breakout, you can consider entering a buy order at those points. Whenever you observe a red breakout, you can consider entering a sell order. However, keep in mind that indicators don't always work accurately and may have errors at certain points. To reduce these errors, we need to add another indicator to our chart. So let's go back to the indicator tab and search for MACD Reloaded. Once you find it, click on it to add it to our chart. Now, this indicator requires some adjustments. So go to its settings and make the necessary changes you see. Pay attention to performing these changes accurately and avoid making mistakes. This indicator helps us easily identify market trends. When the histogram is green and the columns are above the zero line, we understand that the trend is upward and we should look for entry points for buy orders. Conversely, when the histogram is red and the columns are below the zero line, we understand that we are in a downtrend and can look for sell signals at those points. Be cautious not to enter any trades when the histogram is white, whether it's a buy or sell trade. Now, let me tell you about the right timing for entering trades. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so to benefit from the upcoming videos we post. Let's start with buy orders first. When the price moves towards the upper channel and you see a green breakout, you can trust this signal. However, before that, we need to check the MACD indicator and make sure that at this point, the histogram is green and above the zero line. Once we confirm this, we have found a suitable entry point for a trade and can enter at that point. But never forget to set a stop loss for your trades. Find the last swing low and place your stop loss slightly below that level. For take profit, consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with profit. For money management, I suggest that you enter only 1 or 2% of your total account balance in each trade to avoid enormous losses. For sell orders, first find a red breakout and then ensure that the candles have crossed the channel downwards. The next step is to look at the MACD indicator and confirm that at this point the histogram is red and below the zero line. Now that all the conditions are right, we understand that we have found the entry point for a sell trade. For the stop loss, it's enough to find the last swing high and place your stop loss slightly above this level. For take profit, consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with profit. I'm very glad that you watched the video until the end. If this video was useful for you, be sure to leave a comment for me, and if there were any problems, let me know so that I can address them in the next videos. Take care and see you in the next video.